When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today we are discussing the nursery, and it's going to be kind of a different sort of video because I will basically be narrating what's been happening, because while we were filming getting the nursery situation together, I wasn't actively like speaking to the camera and taking you guys through everything. And I know I usually do voiceovers for these kind of videos, but instead of just having a time lapse and then me doing a voiceover, I wanted to show my face a bit and walk you guys through what we were doing and kind of explain it more than I would get the chance to do in a voiceover. If you've been around here from the get-go, you would have heard me say that I did not plan on having a baby nursery, like an entire room designated for the baby's room, simply because when we rented this apartment, we rented a 3-bedroom house just because we needed 2 separate office spaces, one for Adam, one for myself. Adam is my husband if you're new, and then we would have the main bedroom. So when we found out we were pregnant, automatically my office space would have had to be shared with the baby, because Adam just has more stuff in his office than I do, and then my office is the smallest room in the house, and I thought that I would be basically sharing the space with the baby, so it would be half office and then half baby nook was what I was calling it in the beginning. But to be honest, you guys, the more we gathered stuff for the baby, we quickly realized that there was no way I was going to exist in a room with a baby and it would be comfortable for either of us, you know. So we made the decision to totally flip my office into the baby's room, and that is what I'll be walking you through in today's video, from building all of the stuff that is supposed to go in the baby's room and showing you guys around. And I just want to give you a disclaimer that this nursery is not going to be anything like what you see on Pinterest, because I am just not that type of decor person. And I don't know, sometimes I feel some kind of way because I'm not super into, you know, home decor and all of that stuff, being a homemaking channel and all of that. But decor is not the only way you can make your home, so I am pretty mostly always comfortable with how I decide to do things in my own house and what works for us. So with that being said, it will not be the kind of nursery that you probably see on Pinterest. It's going to be a very minimal nursery with just the basic furniture that you need. And the first thing that we obviously needed to do was start building furniture, and Adam was the builder of furniture in this house, because I do not have the patience to build furniture, and the manuals are all in Japanese, because if you're new here, we live in Japan, and that is another one of the reasons why we did not want to overspend on having like a Pinterest worthy kind of nursery, because we live in Japan and we do not plan to stay here forever. So investing in pieces that would make a perfect nursery right now is just not a financially wise decision, so we decided to go with the bare minimum. So like I was saying, Adam was in charge of building all of the baby furniture, and first on the list was getting the changing table ready, and I'll be playing the clips of Adam building that while talking to you here for a bit, just explaining to you the situation of the changing table. Okay, so our changing table situation is really just a standalone changing table, and we decided to go with this because if you've watched the previous baby updates, I did say that we are not getting a dresser for this space so that a changing pad could go on top of it, but rather the baby will have a closet with drawers where I organize his clothes. And if you have not yet seen that video, I will link it in the description box down below and also in the iCard. So if you're interested to see how we store and organize baby Flex's clothes, then check that video out, and of course you'll get a deeper understanding of what the dresser and clothing organization situation is. But because we weren't getting a dresser, we had to get a standalone changing table. So that is what you see Adam building here.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Alright, so another thing that we decided that we were going to kind of save money on, or maybe it is not really saving but just waiting to buy, was a baby crib. And usually in all of the influencers that I follow and videos that I watch, technically moms always have like a bedside bassinet for the first couple of months when baby is sleeping in mom and dad's room, and then they'll also have a crib in the nursery for when the baby transitions from the bassinet and into their own room. For us, we decided to buy one sleeping thing at a time. So we decided that since the baby was going to be in our room for the first maybe couple of months, maybe 3-4 months, we don't know how we'll feel and how fast or how slow we will transition baby Flex into his own room. But we know that for the beginning we would have been having him in our room, so we decided to go with the bassinet first instead of, you know, buying bassinet and then buying crib. It helped us save a bit of money and focus on other things that we need instead of buying a crib, building the crib and having it in the nursery for a couple of months where it wasn't being used. That money could have been used to buy other things that we would be needing right away. So that is what we decided to do. We bought a bassinet, and Adam, of course, was in charge of also building the bassinet because he is the furniture assembly man in this house, not me. You will not find me assembling furniture, even if it's a chair, because I get super anxious.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. Your eyelids and perfect lips got me rushing, panting. I'm so lit. Like lilies you open, the fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more.
And you'll see us joking around in one of the clips coming up about us being able to rock the baby back and forth because the bassinet is on wheels, which is even a plus because it means that when Adam is not here, I could simply wheel the thing to anywhere I need the baby to be sleeping at that point. So it's very easy to maneuver, and we were just joking about how we could both be in the kitchen and passing the baby from one person to another, like kind of like a football or a soccer ball, while we were doing our own little thing, if that is what we need to be doing to soothe the baby.
Earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off track and under attack, so we've earned it. Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other. Now everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us.
My goodness.
You money on rock up. Money on swing. Just me right now, because I just want to push. Push to you, push to me. Just go on. Push. And sleep.
Alright, getting down to the nitty-gritty of things, and this is the before of what my office space looks like, and I am going to just go ahead and say that this is the final time that I will be seeing my stuff in my office space. You know, growing up I've always been told that there was once a time when you did something for the last time but you didn't realize. And looking at my office in this condition, I actually can remember the last time I sat in my office and used it as an office, and I really did not know that that would have been the last time that I used my office as an office for the last time. So this is very, I don't know, bittersweet if you might call it, but basically this is what the office looks like. We have been buying a lot of baby stuff and collecting them, and basically this room has been the catch-all for all of that stuff. So if we're going to turn this into a nursery, of course we need to clear everything out, all of my office equipment, all of that stuff, get them out, and then start preparing to turn this place into Baby Flex's room. And we're just going to be clearing it out, and then we will get into doing a quick sweep and a quick mopping, and then we'll be laying down some carpets in there and trying to fit all the furniture in there.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Of course, at the end of the video I will be walking you guys through exactly how the room looked once we took everything that was mine out and everything that was Baby Flex's inside the room. You'll be seeing the end of what was a semi-finished nursery. It was not all finished in this video, but a nursery tour will be coming up on the channel very soon. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe now so you do not miss future baby content that is coming up.
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Seeing all of the baby stuff built and in the room kind of gave us all of the feels, and we pretty much did it in less time that we thought it would take. And because we had a lot more time, we decided that we were going to start you know, assembling other simpler baby furniture that would make the room kind of starting to come together instead of waiting until it is like too close. Because right now, as I am talking to you guys in this narration, I am 35 weeks pregnant, about to be 36 weeks pregnant, and you guys know that once you hit 37 weeks, basically you are on baby watch. Baby can come anytime after that. So getting all of the stuff ready, whether it was a bigger furniture or a simpler furniture, was a good idea. And since we had time and Adam was home, we decided that we were going to just spend some time together and build some baby furniture together. And you know what, guys, it also provided us with bonding experiences, because majority of the time while I was preparing for the baby, you know, organizing clothes and all of that stuff, Adam would either be at work or he's busy, so we did not get a chance to like really connect and build the baby stuff together as mom and dad. So this provided an opportunity where we could build stuff together and just talk about what life is going to be like, which was super fun and super nerve-wracking. We decided that we were going to build some tummy time mats and also a lounger kind of rocker situation that we could bring anywhere in the house where we were, so baby could chill out and hang out a bit.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you?
No more babies. Hey.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do?
Let me walk you through what we did, and you guys can let me know in the comments down below what you think of the transition of the room and baby's nook. Of course, the bassinet will be transferred to our bedroom once baby is here, because we will be room sharing for the first couple of months, like I said. And once we need to transition him out of our room, then that is the time we will be purchasing the crib. All right, so for the big reveal of everything that we did today, you guys, this is what the nursery, the baby's room, is looking like right now. I think we did a pretty good job in terms of how we organized the space. Like I said, we quickly realized that an office and a baby room or a baby nook would not be possible in this room, so Adam and I decided that we are going to share office. But this is what we have done for now. We have this little toy basket over there. I'm not going to really get into a tour of the space because we are not finished fully transforming this into the baby's room, because I still have stuff up there to get off and put up stuff for Baby Flex himself. But this is basically what we have done today. We put in the bassinet, put in the changing table, his hamper and stuff like that, his carpet. The only thing that is in this room that is not baby related is my vanity, because honestly I do not know where in the house this can fit. I have one idea and Adam is going to try to put it there, but if it cannot fit, then this will have to remain inside this room, because there is actually nowhere else that something this big can be stored right now. But if we do get it out, I'm planning on putting like a sitting area right there in the corner where we can read to him and all of that. So the nursery tour is going to be coming soon as I can get all of the rooms situated and finished for baby. But right now, this is what we did today. Let me know also if you like this style of voiceover kind of narration, video style, like instead of having just time lapses over the entire video and me not showing my face but just doing a voiceover for the entire video. Tell me if you like this style where I'm actually talking to you guys and then showing you clips of what is happening and then coming back and talking and then showing. Let me know which style you prefer, and I'll see what I can do in future videos coming up where it is filmed like this, where I actually did not speak for any of the video but rather just film. Let me show you guys a picture of the belly. I do not have pants on because pants, they're very uncomfortable at this stage of pregnancy. So moms, you understand, and if you're not a mom and you don't understand, welcome to real life of a pregnant lady right now. No pants, just shirt and the belly. But this is what we are looking like at 35 weeks pregnant, you guys. I do not feel big, but the pressure and the weight of this baby is really causing me to not be able to walk very energetically, let's just say that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you do not miss the nursery tour that is coming up super soon, and the registry haul. And then I will also be uploading a video where I show you guys exactly what I'm packing in my hospital bag, for those of you who are interested in what that looks like for an expat living in Japan basically. So stay tuned. Love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.